Hey everybody, it's Keeping Up with BB. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. I do fashion and lifestyle videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. So today, I'm bringing you guys a different type of video, a video I've never done before. And I'm going to be doing a designer bag unboxing. And the reason why I'm doing one of these videos is because when I was doing research on a designer bag and about 2 or 3 different ones that I had my eye on, YouTube videos really did help me determine which bag I wanted to get and why I wanted to get the bag. So I figured, why not film my own video to maybe help somebody else, kind of doing what I was doing some research, just trying to see which bag they want, because it is a lot of money to spend. So I just wanted to go ahead and do my own video, and I'm also going to be showing what fits in my bag. And also, as a disclaimer, everybody says them in the videos, and I see why, because sometimes the comments can be kind of mean. I'm not doing this to show off. I'm not doing this to brag. I'm not doing any of that. I'm really just simply just wanting to help people if they're wanting research on this bag. And this is also it's not my first designer bag, but it's the first one that I've spent a lot of money on. So yeah, let's get into the video. Oh, I'm also going to be telling you guys where I got my bag to, how I got it, and all that stuff. So just keep on watching. So guys, I'm so excited. Oh, sorry. The bag that I got is the Gucci Marmont camera bag Matelassé mini in the color black. And I'm going to show you guys that bag right now. I'm sorry if I kind of butchered the Matelassé part. But yeah, that's the only word that I'm not very sure of the pronunciation. So I did get my bag from StockX. And if you're not familiar with StockX, StockX is basically just like the stock market sell. You can buy and sell. And it's on, it's a website, but I have the app, and you can do it on your computer too. And basically everything is authentic and either new or gently mint condition, pre-loved condition. Basically, they sell pre-loved, and mine is pre-loved, but I mean, it looks brand new. They have requirements that they follow, or people have to follow if they're going to be selling, and if it doesn't meet the requirements, they actually don't even send it to the buyer. They just send it right back to the seller, because their stuff, it just has to be in mint condition if it's pre-loved. But a lot of their stuff is new. So I scored this bag for such a good price. I was bidding on it, and one of the buyers accepted my bid for $780. And I know that is a lot of money, but this bag retail is $980 plus tax. It comes to $1,051, and $1,051 is just not what I was looking to spend on a bag. That's just not in my budget right now. So I just looked and looked and looked until I found a price that was going to be in my budget. So if you're ready to see this bag, then let's go ahead and get into it. StockX actually provides a dust bag, which is pretty cool, because they don't require their sellers to provide a dust bag. Although my seller did give the dust bag, but it came in the StockX dust bag. And then inside the dust bag was the Gucci dust bag. And it's just this off-white color with the Gucci thing right there. Oh, and most important part, StockX does authenticate. So the buyer, once you bid and you win, the buyer will send their item to StockX, and StockX will authenticate it and make sure that it reaches their requirements and their standards, and then they'll send it to the buyer. So yeah, and the authentication from StockX is free for buying through them. And this is the bag. It's so cute. I keep looking at it in my little view screen, but I love this little bag. I think it's so cute, and I really wanted to downsize, because I've never had, I used to wear small bags a lot, in high school, and I just wanted to go back to that because I do love small bags. And StockX puts this on their everything that they authenticate, and it says, "Please inspect item, all claims null and void if tag is removed." So if there's a claim on the bag, you can't remove, if you have a claim that you want to send to StockX, you have to make sure you leave this on there, because once you remove it, there's no turning back. And I don't think they accept returns, but I guess a claim would be like if you don't think something is real or something like that, I'm guessing. But mine is definitely authentic. I trust them, and I know people who have bought things through StockX. Like my boyfriend has gotten Yeezys through StockX, and they're legit. And this is the inside of the bag. And it actually, the person who sold it, they kept their authenticity cards. So I have those, which is good if I ever want to resell. But reselling is not an option for me right now. Oh, my hands are so ashy. Let me get some lotion. Hold on a second. Sorry, I had just washed my hands before I started filming. And was trying to remind myself to put on lotion, but I didn't do it. So let me go ahead and do that now. Wipe them down a little bit before I pick up my bag. So this is the bag again. Let me stand up so y'all can see how it looks on me. And I am 5'6.5", I think I'm closer to 5'7" actually. And this bag did look a little longer on most people that I was watching, because I feel like my height, I'm above average. 5'7" is above average for a woman's height. And so I think this video will also be good. Like I said, this is a reason why I'm doing this video, because I could help somebody determine if they want this bag or not. Because I'm 5'7", and this is how the bag looks on me, and it's not adjustable. And it is made of calf skin leather, and it's so soft. And like, my bag is in such great condition. It doesn't even look like the person who had it even really used it. No scratches, no scuffs, no anything. It's literally in perfect condition. And I really love how the back of the bag has the embossed GG. So like, if you want to just go for a more subtle day, you could just wear it like that with your embossed GG. And then when you want to like pop, you can wear your antique gold GG. And I love the color of this antique gold, because it's not like in your face gold. It's more of like, you know, a nice subtle gold. And I really love this kind of tassel detail on the zipper. The zipper opens super easily, super smooth. And now I'm just going to show you guys what I would normally put in my bag on a daily basis, and then show you how it fits. So for me, I would normally have my wallet, and I'm definitely going to have to get a different wallet, because I have like I guess it's a compact wallet, but it's not a thin wallet at all. Oh, sorry, one more thing. I will put the dimensions of the bag in the description box below, and I will also link where you can go and bid on this same bag on StockX. And like I said, I got lucky with my seller accepted me for like a really low price. And you just, I don't know, they sell for different prices every day. Like the other day, one sold like right after me, literally 1 minute after mine sold, after I got mine for $7.80, someone bought one for $8.60 a minute later. So it varies and it changes. It just depends on what the buyers are willing to, you know, accept at the time. And there's always more than one bag for sale normally. So this is my wallet. I'm just going to show you guys how this wallet fits in there. And this is probably not the one I would be using, just because this bag is a mini bag. Like, it's not a big bag. So let's just see how this fits. So yeah, this wallet is way too big for this bag. It literally takes up a lot of space in the bag. So another thing would obviously be my phone. I don't like to carry my phone with me, especially when I'm out doing stuff and shopping. I just don't like that, holding it all the time, unless I really need it. And then I have a hand cream. This is from L'Occitane. This is just the, what is this? The 20% Shea Butter hand cream. I'll put that in there. And then I always have my AirPods in my bag. I love these things. They're so addictive. And I always have a lipstick. This is just the Huda Beauty. What is this? The Huda Beauty. Sorry guys, I have really bad eyes and I took my glasses off. Trendsetter. So I'd put that in there. I guess just on kind of like, I put it like right there, like behind my phone. I normally, and then my keys. That's literally like my everyday, like that's normally all I have in my bag. And I'll just put my keys right on top of there like that. And I still have room for a couple other things. I like to carry my compact mirror sometimes. It's just a mirror. And I can just slide that in there like that. And everything zips up easily. And I don't have any distortion, which I'm loving. And I don't know, I just love this little bag. I think it's so cute because it can be very casual. Like I could wear this with this outfit because it is a mini bag, like a smaller bag. You can definitely wear this on a night out, you know, like date night, or you going out with your friends or with your boyfriend or your husband or something. This is definitely a bag that you can take like on a night out. And I just love it. I think it's so cute. I'm so happy with my purchase. And let me just show you, I guess, another way that some things could fit in here so you could fit more stuff in here. Let's just take this big wallet out because I can't use this wallet. Like, it's just too big for this bag. But I was showing that it could fit if I had to. So I'm just gonna, I have a card holder, but I cannot find it. So basically, I'm just gonna take out my debit card and my driver's license and my credit card. So I'm just gonna take out those 3 main cards that I would always want on me and have on me, and I'll take out some cash so we can just pretend, like, just to see what fits. So I have some cash, and 3 cards. So I'm gonna put that in that little back pocket that's in the bag. Just another option, just to see how things will fit. So I'm going to put that in the back pocket. I'm going to put my lipstick in that back pocket. And I'm also going to put that hand cream in that back pocket. Now I'm going to put my phone in here. I'm going to put my compact mirror in here. My AirPods. And this is how everything is looking so far. The money and the cards are back here. Okay. And then I have my phone, the mirror, AirPods. So what is something a lot of other women normally carry with them? Oh, I have a chapstick. So I'll put that in there near the compact. And what is something else? A lot of women, like, I would never carry makeup in this bag, but I know a lot of people like to carry, like, compacts, like powder compacts. I wouldn't do that, so I'm not even gonna put that in there because I don't want to get my bag dirty. Sometimes I carry my contacts. I'll put my contacts in there. Put that in there. I'll put a mascara in there. You can honestly keep putting things in here and they'll still fit, especially when you take a big wallet like that out. So this would definitely work for me. I'm gonna have to get a card case because I cannot find the one that I had, and it would literally just be perfect. Like, it fits all your necessities. I don't see why anyone else would need more room. But yeah, and I still have tons more room. Like, oh, obviously my keys. I put my keys on the top there, and I still have room to go. I could put 2 or 3 different other lipsticks in there if I had to. Yeah. So I love this bag. I'm so excited to start using it, and I just wanted to come on here and just show, just show the bag, and then show the bag like on me, because I couldn't, when I was looking at this bag on YouTube videos, most of the women were shorter than me, so I couldn't really tell how it was gonna look on me. So someone who is like 5'6.5", 5'7", this is about where it would hit, which is like, my hip is like here, so it's a little low. And this bag is kind of like a long drop, especially on shorter people. So I don't know, I just really love where it hits on me. And if you're interested in this bag, I hope this video helped and will help you determine whether you're gonna buy the bag or not. And if you guys have any questions about StockX and how I got the bag and all that stuff, just let me know. And this is Keeping Up with BB. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.